Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a quick PR unboxing, and I don't get as much PR as a lot of big YouTubers, but it doesn't mean that I'm not extremely thankful to all of the companies and all of the people who have discovered me. I'm so appreciative, so I want to say in advance thank you to every single one of the companies that have given me something, and I want to go ahead and show you what I got. So the first thing is going to be, how cute is this? This is from Pixi Beauty. I have to say, Pixi always they just do such a good job. They have the cutest packages, and you know what? I'm actually planning to do like a filming room tour. I've been rearranging. I don't know if you noticed, but instead of like one straight thing along the back, I'm actually filming in this corner right now, so I'm kind of rearranging my room. And I want to do it so that I can show like a tour of my filming area. I thought that would be really cool, but this, take a look at this. So not only is this bag super cute, it comes with this hook, so you can put it on the, on the door when you travel. And it even says, I love that they always try and personalize it. It says, "Dear Shelly, bon voyage, safe travels. I wish you a rosy journey and hope my rose-infused favorites will take you on a hydrated journey to your dream skin. Thank you for all your love, Pixi." So they do such a great job. And take a look at this. This is amazing. So it's got this zipper up here so you can put things in it, but then there was a special card in here. It says like 9 steps that you can do with this new line, and I was super excited because there's some products in here that I've never tried before that I was really into. So like one of them being this right here, the Rose Cream Cleanser. I've never seen that before, so I don't know if that's just like brand new, but I'm super excited about this. Those are rose ceramides, which I really love because you can actually just kind of pat it into your skin. It's kind of like a little balm. It just gives you like a healthy kind of like, if you're doing no makeup, it's just great, and it just makes your skin feel a little bit more like awake and live and bright. There are these makeup cleansing cloths, which I didn't even know they made these, so I don't know if that's just brand new. And then in the compartment down here, it's the Rose Caviar Essence, which I've purchased before myself, so I love this stuff. The Rose Flash Balm, which I'm super excited about. The Rose Oil Blend, which I'm really excited to try in my foundations because I do sometimes have drier skin. And then the Rose Tonic, which I will say the Pixi Glow Tonic is my absolute hands down favorite. So I'm excited to try others, but I don't know. I'm comparing everything in my head to the Glow Tonic. And then there's a mist in here, which I love their mist. The Milky Mist is one of my favorites, but this is the Makeup Fixing Mist, and this is the Rose Glow. You know what? I haven't set my makeup yet. Maybe I will try this. Some of their sprayers are better than the others. I love the Milky Mist because the sprayer on that is so good. Let's see if I can get into this one. Ugh. I'm just gonna brute force it. Just gonna spray myself real quick, and let's see how this one goes. And then what's always scary is those first few spritzes when you don't know if some, ooh, that looks really good. Ooh, and it smells like roses. Okay. Oh, it has that same mister on it. I love it. Okay, sorry, you're just gonna deal with my face being wet, but I'm really excited about this. Ooh, and it smells good too. I do like that Milky Mist because it has the hyaluronic acid in it, so I really like that one too. The next package that I got was from Wander Beauty, and I was really excited about this one launching because I wasn't allowed to talk about it, but I was part of like their trial where they sent me out like a without all the packaging and everything, a trial of the lotion for the face as well as the face cleanser. So I was kind of excited to, like, you took a survey on it and then let them know what you thought about it. But this is their official launch of it, so I don't know if it's different or like what's changed about it, but I actually really enjoyed it. It smells kind of like bergamot or something like that, kind of that Earl Grey a little bit, or like lavender. But this is their Drift Away Cleanser, and this is like their No Days Off collection, which I thought was really cool. And I actually really like this face lotion. And actually about this cleanser, it starts off clear, and then as you work it into a foam, it goes like white and lathery. It's kind of interesting how it like changes. So that's really cool though. And then the Dive-In Moisturizer kind of smells like the cleanser, just not as strong. And then this was brand new. This is the Wander, it's the Extra Mileage Hair Refresher. And I want to smell this real quick. Oh, it smells like lavender too. So, okay, so it's part of that whole thing here. And it says Drift Away Cleanser, Dive-In Moisture for minimum effort, maximum results. And okay, so it says the cleanser is gonna draw out impurities for brighter, smoother looking skin. The moisturizer, Pentavidin, I'm probably butchering that, provides up to 72 hours of hydration, and then panthenol improves elasticity for healthier feeling hair. So you can get this kit for $38, and I believe it will come with this really awesome rose gold kind of zipper. And I love the little details, like even the zipper has the little GPS, is what I think of it as, the triangle like on the Wander thing. So, and it says no days off on the front. So I like that one. Thank you so much to Wander. And then I also got a package from Derma-e. So Derma-e is always hooking us up, taking care of our skin, and they sent over the Purifying Daily Scrub as well as the charcoal mask. And the charcoal mask is already in my bathroom because I was using it, because I use it on my T-zone. I use it as a spot treatment as well for like this guy. And so I was using it and I really like it. It's one of my favorites. So I have now another one of these joining the family because I've already went out and purchased one, actually, because the charcoal line is one of my favorites. And so now I have two of them. So this is the Purifying Daily Detox Scrub. So I'm really excited to have this. So thank you so much to Derma-e for helping take care of my skin. I appreciate you. And then last but not least, what's so funny about this is I have been using Moda Brushes in some of my Foundation Friday. If you're an OG, you would know the Foundation Friday. It's the gold foundation brush, and it's part of their metallics line. And then I've used them a few other times. And then a fellow YouTuber, oops, my earring totally came out. A fellow YouTuber, Samantha March, actually has a discount code with them. And so I actually went onto their site and I was picking out some new brushes. And then I took a photo of the brushes, and then they sent me a message like, hey, we saw that you really like our brushes and wondered if you wanted to maybe also have like a code with us. And I was like, yeah. And then what's funny is when I was talking to her, I had actually met her at a couple of different Gen Beauties, and she's like, oh my gosh, I knew you looked familiar. So she sent over a box of goodies, and I was like, it's perfect, because it was like my birthday this last weekend, and it came pretty much at my birthday time. So this is, I'm treating it like a birthday present from Moda, but they sent me over some stuff, and actually it's so funny. There goes my phone, sorry. What's funny is some of the metallic ones that are actually on here, so let's open this guy up. Oh, on the front it says Moda Mavens. I think that's really cool. That's what they call, I think, the people that are part of their, I don't know, affiliate program, whatever you want to call it. So she, let's see here. So thanks, Joe Dizzle, for sending these over. And look how cute this paper is. Oh, it's so pretty. I love these little, these stickers. Okay, so the first thing that we have, this I'm really excited about because this is a hard scrubby. This is like a rubber matte, and purple is my absolute favorite color. So this is so awesome. And it says Moda on the back. Okay, so it's a hard scrubby and some makeup brush cleansing pad. So you can just kind of put your soap on it and kind of do with your brushes. This is perfect. Thank you so much. This is actually one of my favorite things already. Okay. The next thing, this is the Moda 5-piece complete set. You know what? I feel like I have most of these brushes because this powder brush right here, I've gotten this before and I know I really like it. And I actually really love this teeny tiny little brush over here. You can use it for eyebrows, you can use it for eyeliner. So, and then these are one of the really big thick, I like to put like an all over color on my eyelid, and so I always use this one for that. So I actually really am excited about this. And oh my god, look at this. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. This is the Moda Mythical 6-piece Frozen Flight Set. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. So there's a powder brush in here, there's a contour brush, there's a highlighting brush, a shader, and then a smoky eye kind of like getting the outside. But I just love, they look like little icicles, but they have blue sparkles in. This is awesome. I can't wait to use these. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. I don't know what that is. These are really pretty. Thank you so much. You picked a good set to send over. Oh, I'm really excited to use these out. The next thing that's in here, this is the Moda Pro. Oh, I've seen these too. I have some in this line. So the 7-piece Beautiful Eye Flip Kit. So this has a great selection of eye brushes, including like a really great for your eyebrow separator. And oh yeah, I'm really excited about these too. I have several of these already, and I know, oh, one of them is double-ended too. Check that out. Oh, this one is too. It's got a spoolie at the bottom, so that's really awesome. I'm excited to try these because the Moda Pro brushes that I have had, I have enjoyed them, so that's good. And then there's one last thing in here, and this is the Moda Prismatic, and I know for a fact that I already have this one, so I'm going to toss this one in a giveaway because I have 2 sets of them of the exact same thing. So this is really great because this is kind of one of those oval brushes that are like really thickly, densely packed, so you can put on like foundation and great stuff like that. This one is really good for doing like contour and all of that. This one I will sometimes use for like concealer, or actually I'll also go in for like touching up around some of the crevices and areas that need a little bit more precision. And then this one down here I use for lips. So thank you so much to Moda for sending that over. And that is everything that I've gotten in PR this month. I do want to say thank you again to all of the brands for sending it over. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. And I can't wait to make videos with all of this stuff. So if you guys enjoy unboxings, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Would love to have you be part of the squad. And I will see you guys in a video very soon. Bye.